Hey everyone, this is Kelly and welcome back to day 3 of the Honeybee Stamps spring release. I'm going to get started today with a super cute stamp set called Lily the Lamb. I love the sweet face on this little lamb. As you can see here, Lily has lots of little accessories, bows, flowers, a little bell, and then lots of great sentiments as well. I miss you, I love you, thinking of you, and there's more, birthday, hey, I'm so lucky to have you, so cute, happy belated birthday. That makes me giggle every time. And then you can use woolly as well. There's also a coordinating die set that goes along with Lily the Lamb. As you can see there, you have Lily's little body, and then the head can cut separately. You have you with a little shadow or border, and then the word is cut out. You have the belated, and then all of her little accessories. I've stamped these and cut them to give you a look. So you have all the words, you have you, and then the die cut EWE on the top there, woolly and belated, and then all of Lily's little flowers and accessories. Love the little daffodil there. Super cute. And I love that Lily's head cuts separately, and let me show you what that can look like if you so choose. I have stamped and cut Lily with both of her little dies. I have popped her head up onto one of the little bobblehead shakers, and you can see there how stinking cute that is. I just love that. You could also just use foam tape, or you could adhere that flat as well. The next stamp set is a 3 by 4 inch stamp set called My Bad. It says I'm woolly sorry, and then you have the My Bad and I'm feeling sheepish. This has a coordinating die set as well. You have a little banner, you have the bad with a shadow, and then you have my and woolly. Here are all those cut with the die cuts and then stamped as well. So I've stamped the I'm feeling sheepish onto that little banner and then used the die cuts for woolly and my bad. I kind of have to grin every time I say that. Here's a super cute card from Joanne, and I love the little Lily the Lamb. She's so sweet. Next up is called Heaven Sent. This is a large 4 by 8 inch stamp set. You have this sweet little bunny and his little onesie. You have lots of little accessories. He has a little rabbit buddy, a bottle, there's a bow, there's a pacifier, clouds, stars, moon, and lots of great sentiments. So you have Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, do you know how loved you are? I love you to the moon or stars and back. Heaven sent. Hello and welcome, baby. Sweet little one, boy and girl. These have coordinating dies as well. So you can see there the little heaven sent baby. His little arms cut out so you can tuck all of his little accessories or her accessories under his little arms. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So cute. I love the little onesie. And I'm going to tuck his little buddy, his little bunny buddy, right there into his hand. So cute. So the die set cuts out the little bunny, his accessories, the clouds, the moon, the stars, the little bedtime stories, the bottle, the bow, the pacifier, everything. So cute. I love that you could use this stamp not only for a baby card, but for a cute like galaxy card with the moon and cloud and stars. There's just tons of ways that you could use this sweet little heaven sent stamp set. I'm going to tuck the little bottle in his little hand so you can see what that looks like. I could just play with these little guys all day. They're like paper dolls. So fun. Here's a sweet card from Kaya. I love the watercolor background. And an awesome card from Carol. She has cut and sewn that little bunny rabbit out of felt. Next up is the layered fence die set. As you can see here, I've cut the bottom layer out of dark chocolate brown paper and then a lighter brown on top. I love how that top layer gives you the look of real wood with the dark showing through from underneath. Super easy and super fun, and you can always cut lots and lots of these to make your fence as long as you need it. Also, there is a grass die, and this is a long die, so you can either use it horizontally or vertically on your card and just snip off the sides, so you can make that as long or as short as you need it. I love that, so fun. Here's a beautiful card from Wanda, and she has used both of those die sets, the fence behind little Lily there and the grass in the front. Next up, we have a double stitched square die set. So as you can see here, I've layered them all together so you can see exactly what they look like. These double stitched die sets are perfect for layering your cardstock as well as building shaker cards to cut your window. Here's a beautiful card from Leanne, and you can see she has used all those little squares back there. It looks like a little blanket. Now this is the scallop stitched square die set. I've layered these together so you can see exactly what they look like, and I just love the scallops. It just sets it apart from just a straight cut, and I love the way that Emily has used that. As you can see there, that little scallop and the stitched edge just gives it something special. All these supplies can be found at honeybeestamps.com, and I hope you'll join me tomorrow for day 4 of the spring release.